Now third formula to prove under C and D. Now we know cos A plus B plus cos A negative of B is equal to twice of cos A cos B. Again following the same procedure. Now let A plus B is equal to C. Let this be 1, this be 2, and A minus B is equal to D. Third one. Now adding A is equal to C plus D upon 2. Subtracting okay. Now substituting second and third in left hand side of 1 and fourth and fifth in right hand side of 1. What we are having? Cos C minus cos D is equal to twice of cos C plus D upon 2 cos C minus D upon 2. Proved.